Get the information out of me while it's free, because once I pass my board certification, it's over with.
I understand. I just need some healthy stuff. You know, I've been trying to get
Recording in progress.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Sean, you got J number? Sean?
It says,
Who?
Sean?
huh?
You got
No,
J?
I don't. Uh-uh.
Okay.
But this says that this meeting is being recorded.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
recording it.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm trying to hit this okay. There it is. Okay. Yeah. hmm Do you
Mute
make
up.
vegetarian dishes too?
I do everything.
Okay, yeah, cause I eat meat, but I'm gonna need some alternatives.
Nowhere, nowhere. Send me a friend request
Okay, oh,
on
I
Facebook.
will. I'll find you on the book and send you one.
Yeah. I'm gonna mute up for a second just so I can transition into the house and get on my laptop, and then. But I'm here. I'm on my phone, so I'm here.
Bet,
Okay,
okay.
all right.
Hold on, I'm just trying
Yeah.
to set something up to myself.
Yeah, I've been trying to use that app.
What app?
The one that Cuzzo told, well, Pat, he had originally said for everybody to get, but then y'all said some people who had iPhones
All right.
couldn't access it. Yeah. So it's helping some. Just trying to remember all of that because I was looking at it got a little simulator while it got like the market is moved and just trying to recognize I need more time on it. And so I tried to do it as I wasn't doing all that reading today. Even though after we get off, I probably need to get a start on it because I know tomorrow is a busy day. I got a lot going on in terms of therapy and stuff. So,
Got you. Big ups on you being in therapy. I just started therapy like this month too.
oh, okay, but yeah, it's physical therapy.
Okay.
You physical. Oh, but no, I'm not opposed to the regular. You know what, man? That stigma's gotta go. Ain't nothing wrong with therapy, brother.
Mm-hmm.
It's gotta go. Our community is suffering too much because people. Oh, I ain't. No, it ain't about nothing being wrong. It's about being able to discuss different things and pinpoint things and work on it. Period.
Facts. Can you see my
You know.
screen?
Yeah, I see it.
All right. So you would have a kind of trouble just navigating through TradingView, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what you see my screen does say TradingView, right?
Let me see. Yep, it
Okay.
says it.
All right. Cool. So then like you'll see these three tabs. The tab
Hmm.
somewhere and go to products and then go to
Okay.
super chart. Now that's your chart.
Hmm. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna clear all this shit out for you, just so I could go through everything. But I'm gonna delete my drawings because I gotta make new drawings anyway. It'll hide my
Hmm.
indicators. So you see, I got the two screens up. That's because I paid for like the basic subscription.
Hmm.
Cause your Pat said, you have multiple tabs, but in my experience, sometimes when you have multiple tabs of the same thing, it'll slow it down or like sometimes it don't transfer like as smoothly. So I like just paying for it. But
Hmm.
that's neither here nor there. So over here, this first tab right here, this is your cursor. So like you
Hmm.
could pick between the dot, arrow, crosshairs. Those are the ones I really know about. This right here is like all of your most of your markings. So like your trend line, your horizontal line, and you see these stars right here.
Hmm.
I made them my favorite. So I got everything that I really use all the time right here.
Oh,
So I
okay.
don't really
Hmm.
have to do all that. But you got your trend line, your horizontal line, your horizontal
Hmm.
ray, vertical line, can do parallel channels,
Mm.
stuff like that.
Oh, is that how get the zone up there? You know how we had a
This is just like how you would mark a channel. So a channel
okay,
is like is another chart pattern, you know.
mm, gotcha.
But you could also just do it with two trend lines.
Okay.
See,
Mm-hmm.
same
See
thing,
that? Okay.
same thing. So over on your left is gonna be all your tools, right?
Okay.
You got your trend line, horizontal array, all that good stuff. I don't be using none of this stuff down here, and I really don't
Mm-hmm.
use none of this right here right now. Cause I make my own channels.
Mm-hmm.
Then you got,
Hey,
go ahead.
oh, go ahead. No, I was just gonna say, when you finish, can you show me what you clicked on to get that
Oh,
super chart
hold on,
again?
my bad, my
You
bad, my
get
bad.
one to look fast.
Hold on, real quick.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm doing something on live right now. I'm teaching people stuff, so don't come in being loud. So, all right, we'll go back. Go back. Then I just said don't come in being loud. Anyway, um, so these three tabs, this is tabs. Sometimes they be so okay. My screen was low. I mean, was small. They under products though. So now I don't have the three tabs to the left no more. I got everything right here. So it's super chart. Go to products and go to
Mm-hmm.
super charts.
Gotcha.
Boom, boom. Get rid of this. Hide indicators. All right. So like I said, to your left is all your tools.
Mm-hmm.
So this is your cross or your cursor.
Mm-hmm.
Then you got your trend lines, your horizontal lines, vertical lines. We haven't gotten into it yet, but this is gonna be your Fibonacci. Fibonacci is gonna be used when you're in the trend market.
Okay.
Uh, you know how Jay be like, can you just use the pattern? She be begging Pat just to use the pattern, the pattern tool. So like, this is where you'll find that at. So like, I could find like how we be looking for head and shoulders. Open the door. How we always looking for head and shoulders. I could find head and shoulders. I just went over here, selected head and shoulders. Did boom, 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 boom. Open the door. Damn. Boom. So I was able to
Zoom
make.
in a little bit. There you go.
Okay.
Oh.
My bad.
Stop asking for food.
Okay, head and shoulders. You see that? I'll do it again though. Boom, 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 boom. Like it ain't always gonna be perfect, but as long as you can see it, it's there. But that's just an example of like what she be asking. You know what I'm talking about, Jay? When you be like, can you
Oh
just?
no, yeah, cause I still didn't see it. I sat up all night looking at that
Hey,
thing,
I
and I
was
still didn't see
listen,
it.
listen. We all see the market differently. So if that's what he saw, then that's what he saw. You feel me? We.
Yeah, no, that's fine,
Mm-hmm.
but I want to be able to see, and using those tools is helping other people see.
Facts, facts. Then we got the Elliott Wave tool right here. Boom, 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 boom.
real catcher and ghetto, I'm gonna cut my camera off, but I'm here because I
Bet,
don't
bet.
want you to record me either.
so that, so then that's that tool, right? So the first tab is your cursor. Second is your trend lines, your horizontal lines. What I mean by horizontal lines, that's how we create our zones. See what I'm talking about? That's how you create like your support and resistance.
Okay.
That's how you mark it. Uh, this is forecasting. So like, let's say you like, oh, I think I want to go for a buy.
Mhm.
You'll pull that up. You'll like pretty much predict what your stop loss will be and what your profit will be. Take your profit will be. Is my screen too small again?
A little bit.
Yeah, it definitely shrunk.
Let me see. What am
Your screen don't like us.
I? All right. All right. Okay. Let me see. Is this better? Is this better?
Yeah,
Trying, are you
that's good.
following along?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Yeah, it might be a lot. I'm gonna skip some information because we don't even need that right now. Like I could, when this time to place trades, when he actually teach you the strategy, I could go back over on the forecast and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
don't mind following the law. I just some not feeling too well, so but
got you.
I'm good. Yeah.
Okay.
You got your drawing tools right here. So like how he be making circles and stuff.
Mhm.
That's your paintbrush. I use the rectangle a lot to like find fair value gaps and zones. Like so, boom, make a rectangle.
Mhm.
Mhm.
If it's a rectangle like I got placed like for a buy, I'll change the colors blue. If it's
Okay.
something I'm doing for if it's something I'm doing for sales, I'll make it all red. You make you change the colors like right here.
Mhm.
And a good thing,
What
a
up?
good tool that is very underutilized.
Mhm.
Click on the rectangle.
Click on it.
Is in that setting. In that setting where you went, where he went to change the colors.
Mhm.
You can also put notes, so you
Oh.
don't have to remember everything.
Facts.
Yeah, that's what
The
I'm trying to
text.
do. Yeah.
Yeah, if you go to
Facts.
text,
Yeah.
you can
Mhm.
add, you can put in notes of what you're looking at, what you see, what day it is, what time it is.
Mhm.
If
One
you
weed.
drop it right there, then now you know. So when you're back testing, you're not second guessing what you was looking at or trying to figure out what you was looking at. You
Facts
have it
though.
right there.
Facts.
Oh wow. Okay.
You can change. So it's like bottom left. Put it center, and I could put it inside or at the top. Good work. Good work, Jay.
What did you say? Sorry.
I'm gonna teach you how he sets everything up too, though.
Okay.
Give you a little bit of advance, but like
I should have been recording you so when I try and do it tomorrow.
The pattern.
I'm sure I'll figure it out though. I should remember it.
you gotta just get on here and play with it, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Just get on
Okay.
here, just get on here and play with it because that's what I'm saying. You're not gonna remember everything I'm telling you. There's so many tools to
Mm-hmm.
use. I'm looking at stuff right now. I don't use this triangle, but now I'm looking at it and see if I can use it. no, maybe so. You know what I'm saying? But I don't even use it. I make my chart patterns from strictly trend lines. I use trend lines to make my chart patterns. Um, Here's text by itself that you could just get on here and it's a T and be like, all right, cool, change your font, all that good stuff. And you could make a reminder like there's liquidity down here.
You stop sharing your screen.
What? I was wondering why I just saw his face. I'm like, I bet.
I'll be back.
All right, there we go.
Be back.
Liquidity right here. I was sometimes like when there's like a lot of news and like it's hard to remember, we'll go to Forex Factory, right? Because that's where you get your news from, Sean. Forex Factory. You can get it from Bloomberg too, but like the Forex Factory gonna give you. Hey, I know you didn't put the TV on. I told you I'm teaching people stuff. Pause that right now. Go in your room. Do you hear me, Jamari?
Yes.
I am trying to teach people stuff. Can you pause that and take that in your room? You hear me talking to people, right? Can you go in your room, please, now, this very moment? Thank you. Ooh, I'm sorry.
You
Mhm.
But so like Tuesday is CPI, right?
Mhm.
And that's a red folder. So I'll make the text red. CPI news 7:30. Tuesday. April 14th. Boom. So now I remember on Tuesday to be wary of, news at 7:30. Not that I trade at 7:30 anyway, because you shouldn't be trading at 7:30. I ain't gonna say you
Wait till
should
the
be.
main session open, right?
Yeah, you want to make the main session open. It's like the less, the more like you pay attention to like the actual rules. Because there's people that trade these pairs all at any time of the day as long as structure there, and like that's cool. But like you kind of leaving yourself open to like anything. You know what I'm saying? Like,
A lot of market manipulation.
yep, a lot of market manipulation. Like, and as we read in the book, anything can happen anyway. So why would I trade more time? Why would I spend more time outside of the designated time frame when I know anything can happen anyway? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Right.
minimize your time that you're gonna spend on the chart. Right now, you're going to try to get a lot of chart time, and that's normal, that's natural. You should be because you're new. But as soon as you start getting acclimated, bro, I'm telling y'all, sometimes literally, because I work overnight, I have my alarm set for like at least 2 hours of sleep, like 3 hours, so I can wake up during the lunch hour, get up and meditate and all that shit. Sometimes Spirit will get me up at like 9:40, but like, look at this move. I'm in that mood by like 9:45, 9:47. Out of that mood by 9:50, I can go back to sleep. You know what I'm saying? My worst times is when I've taken too much time on the market. Then you got emojis. I don't know why you would, if you're a silly person, you could put emojis up. This is a ruler measure how far the chart went. You can also find that same thing in No, what is it? Which one was it?
You go back up.
Go back up.
It was you talking about the price range
Yeah. There we go. And forecasting.
down at the bottom of there.
Yeah. So this will tell you how many uh, points it went tight.
Hmm.
I
I got
like.
a question though.
Go
Why,
ahead.
why do y'all trade pairs instead of just the one commodity itself?
I don't trade pairs.
Oh,
I trade the indices. I trade NAS and US 30.
So when
okay.
you're talking commodity, commodity is your oil, your gold,
Yeah.
your silver.
Hmm.
Those are commodities, right? The
Well, your futures,
indices are
currencies.
yeah. So when you hear pairs, you're talking about currencies.
Hmm.
So that's when that could forex is telling you that it's one currency going against or another one, right? It's
Hmm.
making that exchange. It's the exchange of one currency changing to another one or battling another one. That's how I like to call it.
What's
Hmm.
good,
And
OG?
so
You still on
Right.
here?
But I was saying, as opposed to like say on IMM, if I remember correctly, you could just trade the Japanese yen or the Swiss franc. So you choose to trade the pairs instead.
I trade JP. I trade the Japanese yen and futures.
Hmm.
I've traded it there.
Hmm.
Um, and I follow that chart to just help give me a better insight when it
Hmm.
comes to trading my pair. My
Okay.
pair is my pair because it's just what I locked in on, is what
I
Spirit told me to lock in on, and it
Okay.
helps with my story, right?
Okay.
But when I first started, gold was my boo.
I
Hmm.
think I ain't never go. I still don't really understand. I purposely stayed away from gold, but I think he was trying to say, why don't we just trade the yen? Like he's asking. I think he was asking, does it have to be a pair? Yes, it has to be a pair. It has to be
No,
paired with something else.
it has to be a pair.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it has to.
Some currencies are on the futures market, which
Hmm.
means they hold weight within the the world economy, right? To move by itself, right? To
Hmm.
be monitored to move, like the U.S. dollar. The U.S.
Hmm.
dollar, there's the dollar index. So the dollar index you can trade on the futures account, and you're
Hmm.
just trading the movement of the U.S. dollar. So
Hmm.
some currencies hold that type of weight to be on a broker platform as a future.
Hmm.
But the forex market is a pair going against another pair. That is the whole
Hmm.
market itself. That's what it's called. A
Okay.
forex is short for
Hmm.
foreign exchange.
Hmm.
So think of it as you going to Mexico. The simplest way I put it is you going to Mexico. When you go to Mexico, you have to exchange the U.S. dollar for the Mexican peso.
Hmm.
So every time that exchange happens, no matter how
Hmm.
big or how small, the market moves.
Hmm.
So now you think
Oh,
about the
okay.
big people that's in the market that Naked Forex told you about, which was the banks,
Hmm.
you know what I'm saying, corporations, the bigger economies and stuff like that. So money is always moving
Hmm.
because we're always buying and selling something from another country or whatever the case
Right.
may be.
Hmm.
So you can do it,
Hmm. Yeah, because
but
I was wondering that because I guess I don't have too much experience with like say the forex. So I'm used to like Canadian dollar. I know all those hold they own Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, British pound, euro dollar. I remember when they came up with the euro dollar. You know, the Aussie dollar and stuff like that. So I wasn't used to the pairs. I was just used to seeing the currencies themselves. So
hmm
when I kept hearing y'all talk
We got
about
we got
you
like
know the
we probably
pairs
got
and
like five
stuff,
more
it kind of
minutes
like
before we gotta start this over.
okay.
okay, yeah. So that's all.
No, you good, you good. I was letting y'all know.
Okay, yeah, no, it's cool. Now she set aside my question. Like I said, I just wasn't familiar with the forex period like that. So,
And then you
so I
got
just like I said, just the IMM and stuff. So,
up top you got time frames too. So I'm on the weekly. See this W right here?
mhm. Okay.
I'm on the weekly. I can go down to the daily, go down to the 4 hour, and now I gotta readjust my, where my stuff was at, my
Mm-hmm.
words. But yeah, I was on the weekly, so like
Mm-hmm.
that's what. Let me see. Then you got indicators.
Mm-hmm.
So the only indicators we gonna use, he gonna teach us, and it's a good indicators. I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna be when he do EMAs, no SMAs. So smooth moving averages. So if I take my if I do this eyeball down here, it'll come back up. My purple is my 8. The blue is my 20, and the red is my 200. Now what these do are whatever time frame you on. So I'm on a weekly time frame, right? This
Mm-hmm.
purple, I said it was my 8, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it says running out of time. So okay, we got 10 minutes left. Cool, that's good. All right. This 8 is counting the last 8 weekly candles. You understand that?
Not quite. But I do understand that it actually counted the last eight, though. Is that what the eight stand for? The
Yes.
last eight?
The last 8 on
Okay.
whatever time frame you on. So if I go down to my hour, it's the last 8 on the hour.
Mm-hmm.
You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
See, we got this big ass gap and it's pointed down.
Yeah.
So it's going from one, two, three.
Stay on the hour.
Okay.
And as you put it back up, but I want to see this.
So the 20 is doing the last 20 of them. The last 20 over the hour. One, two, three, four, five,
Are these
six.
good for the babies?
That
And
wasn't
so,
there.
so the line is stopped at 20? Is that what you're saying?
No, so like the way it's moving is telling you this blue one is telling you and a purple one is also telling you the last 8 hour candles or okay, so the purple's telling you the last 8 hour candles have kind of been on the uprise. The same
Mm-hmm.
with the 20. The last 20 candles have been on the uprise.
Oh.
You get what I'm saying? The
Mm-hmm.
200 is the last 200 candles. Last 200 candles is saying it's kind of been, you
Almost
know,
at a steady.
yeah, kind of steady. Like it's gradually, slowly moving up. Like it's like, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
So this also plays as like major support.
Mm-hmm.
I might be moving too fast, but like said, if I doing doing this is low key sitting on top of an order block all the way back here.
Mm-hmm.
So it's acting as if like it's acting as support a little bit low key. Although we don't see much of anything right here, if
Mm-hmm.
if if price starts to get some momentum, best believe it's gonna come. It's gonna attract itself down here. It's gonna come down here.
Mm-hmm.
This is the SMAs. This is all about the strategy. Now he's gonna go over that in like the next week or so. Don't
Mm-hmm.
feel bad about not understanding this. I just wanted you to. I
Mm-hmm.
just going through all the tools that's
Right.
on here.
Mm-hmm.
You can
So
go ahead.
let me ask you. So that represent the trend in the market, like it's an uptrend or downtrend or almost an even trend. Is
So yeah, in a sense, but this is telling you this is more so the your 20 and your 8 gonna be your trend
okay.
because we intraday.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? We intraday traders, so we not. This is like basically telling you. I'm trying to you. Can you explain it real quick? The 200 fund is like I said. It's like gonna be like your resistance. No, your support because it's below. Am I explaining that
I
right,
would
Jay?
say I would say I would say the 200 is your support.
Hmm.
Um, I always looked at as the 20 as your resistance, and the 8 is your flow.
Okay,
Okay.
And that so
I get what you're
is your
saying.
trend, is the way the market is moving. That's
Hmm.
how I remember it,
Hmm.
because it's where your 8 is always gonna cross your 20 or your, yeah, the 8 is always gonna cross your 20 or your 8. I mean, or your 200. You see what I'm saying?
Yep, 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 yep.
Mm.
So so it was at the bottom,
Here we go. I'm about to
down
say.
there where that, so it was at the bottom. Let's go where it took off, where it brought up to the right here. It was below it. Yep. It was below it, and it crossed over and it surpassed both of them, right?
Mhm.
And your move and an indication, hint hint indicator of a move is always when the 8 crosses one or the other.
Mhm.
So if the 8 crosses down, it it typically sells. If the 8 crosses up, it typically buys. And that's a perfect example where he circled. It crossed down below, it sold down. It went just underneath it a little bit, and then it crossed up and it bought up. But it
Mhm.
bought up big because it crossed both of them.
Hmm.
You see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
That purple line crossed both of them, so it bought big.
Gotcha.
There's YouTube videos explaining how these goes, but that's how I use the SMAs.
Mhm.
And that's how it was explained to me by an educator.
Hmm.
Mhm.
And there was a gap, which means there was some news there, right?
Hmm.
And there's no real support for that 200 to move, right?
Hmm.
And it's just it's, hey, I'm down here. This is where market was. Yeah, these are
Jamar.
where the last 200 candles were, but it was down here,
4 minutes.
and
Mhm.
we know it got to come back down.
Yeah, because
So yeah,
So
like she was saying.
can't really.
Thank you, Jay.
He thinks it's his
yeah,
season.
If you're underneath your 8 and your 20, you are typically looking for sales. If you're
This is him.
above your 8 and your 20, you typically looking for buys. It's best
Yes.
when when your 200 is in that mix too. So if you below your 8, your 20, your 200,
So you
you
blow
looking for
one.
sales.
Blow one. Okay.
Mhm.
Same thing, vice versa. But like she was saying, uh, we will still wait for this cross. We will actually wait for like it to fill this gap low key. You know
mm-hmm.
what I'm saying? And cross, and we could take it down to we could take it down here. We could try to take it down here, but you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take whatever the market give us. You know what I'm saying? But that'd be the
All right.
bigger play. We start over in like 3 minutes.
Look.
I
Set
think I
feel
could
the
use the
mark, bro.
same link,
Feel the
right?
mark.
I'm pretty
That's
sure.
hot, right?
Yeah, you can use the same link.
Blow one.
Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, we'll just do the same link,
The bread is
and
hot.
Just give me a minute, cause I have to manually type them in. So I'll be on go
okay,
off, grab my phone.
and this next time we gonna just mark the chart.
Okay.
But yeah, you man, when you first start, it's like, well, you're doing good starting with Pat because when you first started, people had you doing all type of indicators. You have a RSI to cash stick down here, fucking lines up here, all
Hey,
type.
hey, 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 hey.
Oh,
That stochastic just made me some money this weekend.
good work, good work. I've had to simplify it myself because like it'll make me miss a move, but that's me personally.
It
Everybody is
will.
different.
It will.
Everybody is definitely different. A lot of people use this volume. I don't use that.
Mm-hmm.
The volume kind of tell you, if you can see, like, okay, we got big seller momentum right here. But like, you see how big
It's a
this?
way to turn it. It's a way to turn it sideways. That's where you. That's. It's a way to put it. It's something else. I think it's volume, but it's a way to put it sideways.
Let me see.
I have to figure it out, and I'll show you because it hit different.
What's that?
It hit different when the sideways. Okay.
It hit different when it's sideways.
Uh,
Yeah,
but
it shows you exactly where that liquidity is, and you can
mm,
mark that up, and then take your candles with the line off, mark it up, and then you drop your candles back on. Never miss,
mm,
Mm.
okay. We
never
got
miss. But we naked traders, so
facts.
it's like
Yeah, it's like I don't know. Like I said, Pat has helped me reach a level. You know, what I'm saying I'm still waiting on more. You know, my payouts, but like I'm closer to him than I've ever been, for
you gonna
sure.
That's
you
good.
there, you there, you there for sure.
Appreciate it.
You didn't print the ones for the first one right here.
Yeah, I'll go over alert, the replay button,
I was putting them.
all that good stuff, and then I will mark up the chart too.
No,
Over here, I got my watch list.
Jameer.
It's like
should
it's
put it.
so
You
much.
should
It's
have it
like
the best
so
version.
much stuff.
Yes.
Appreciate you being on here with me.
No, anytime. I'm a team player.
Yeah, this is what Pat wanted though. He wanted to build a community, and it's better. I ain't gonna lie, like teaching people helps you remember stuff that you didn't realize you remember.
Mm-hmm. That's a fact. That's a fact. But yeah, I cause y'all went on the call last night. You and wifey went on the call.
No, she was on the call.
Oh yeah, she was on the call. She was on the call. I got into the HFX market yesterday.
Okay, so what did you trade on the HFX market? Because it was Saturday.
You trade over the counter.
Oh, you was a dangerous motherfucker. you,
Recording in progress.
you is dangerous. Oh wow. I was showing, because that's been so long since I did HFS. So I'm like, when she told me that, I'm like, what did she trade? Did she trade? Did she do like crypto on HFX? I'm like, I'm really confused. You did over the counter, yeah? You crazy.
I did over the counter Chef J at 96%.
Oh, 96. Now that's nice. And I was thinking low key. I'm like that 80, that 90%. That's not as bad. Cause like, okay, let's say you trading $10.
Mm-hmm. Which that's what I started off with.
So you trade $10 and then your trade go through in a minute. You get $8. Shit. Sometimes if you were to trade $10 on Nas, you you might not get them 8 points.
Yeah, exactly.
You feel what I'm saying? So it's kind of like it kind of worked. You know what I'm saying? I just like seeing the numbers go up.
Yeah. So I think we averaged it out to like with the $20 that I lost, the two trades that I lost. Um, I did $200, over $200
Nice,
in less than 5 minutes.
nice. That's the power of this shit, man. How you thinking like Y'all want me to give my time to what? For how much? Like, what? It's gonna be dangerous when I get my payouts for real. Like, this the
Yeah,
world now.
one of my trades I cleared 259.20 on one trade.
Man.
It get like that. All right, so we went over indicators. There's a bunch of indicators that you can use or not use. I suggest like you know what I'm saying. Whenever Jay figure out the volume thing, I'll let her show me that. But I suggest keeping your chart more so focused on the candles, like keeping it as minimal as possible. Because if you rely too much on the indicators, several indicators, you can miss some moves.
Mhm. I think the
Uh,
book was saying something like that too, right?
yeah,
And I'm
because
looking at the chart like he was saying too much,
yeah, because
even.
the indicators lag in time. They, you know what I'm saying? They don't. They
Mhm.
not a prediction tool. It's not a prediction tool. You know what I'm saying? It's just letting you
Tracing
know.
tool.
Say it again.
I said it's a tracing tool. It
Exactly.
shows you where it already been.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Exactly. So you got alerts too, right? I use alerts. So this is something that like it'll send. Let's say I got a boom. Let's say I want to know when this gap get closed. I put an alert. I put my horizontal line. Create an alert right here. Crossing, touching, whatever. So crossing that line up there. Now you can set it up for your email or just make a sound on the chart,
Mhm.
right? And then when the market come up here, it's gonna send you an email and it's gonna make a sound. And that's when you know like yo. I used to use alerts a lot, but now it's like I just kind of depend on watching the market myself.
Mhm.
I'm an alert girly.
And nothing wrong with that. I realized that Nas will fucking go through the same line fucking 50 times before it actually make his move. So I had to.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so don't just put crossing. You can put crossing close
Mm,
because you look for the retest.
there you
So
go.
you can put yeah,
So
you can
okay,
put close below.
let's see. Hold on. So which one am I supposed to do?
Go. Oh, you on the line?
Yeah.
Add condition.
Ah, they want me to upgrade.
Yeah,
I'm cool on that.
yeah. So yeah, now now they didn't upgrade it and change stuff. So you used to be able
Uh,
to put close below, open above. You know what I'm saying? Open
got you.
above, close below, close above, crossing down. Crossing down. You know, instead of being just one. It like all of that.
Got you.
So yeah.
So that's alerts up there, and it's also in the same like so. I pulled up the horizontal line. I'm gonna do this again for you. I pulled up the horizontal line. I put it right here, and you get options with it. You get the options to change the color. You get options to do a text. You get options to make it thicker. You get options to change the kind of line it is. You get settings where you can like the same thing, the color, the text, the actual coordinates. Let's say I wanted that like. 'Cause sometimes it's hard to get the exact number you want or the exact area, so you can
Mhm.
change it around. Okay, I'll change the coordinates. Boom, now it's up there. Alert, that's cool. Alert, lock, and trash. Okay.
Mhm.
All right. So, I'm gonna show you an initial watch list. I got US 30 up here, Nas, SPX. I don't know why I got SPX. I don't touch SPX.
Was
But
that
that
S&P?
yeah.
Mm.
Mhm.
I got GBU. Oh snap! Hold on, let me stop sharing real quick for a second. Oh, I can't even show y'all anyway because my camera not working. But my wife just walked in. She got the flashcards, Jay.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Hey y'all.
She said hi.
Tell her I
Hey.
said hi. Did she get her planner too? Because they were talking about a planner.
I forgot that one, but I'm gonna get that too.
Oh, she can hear me.
You want to find about okay.
Then we got Ethereum up here. This is me. This is my stuff. So that's the watch list. But I'm about to go over how Pat teaches us how to mark the chart, just to give you a little advanced lesson real quick. So I'm gonna trash this, move some straws. I'm gonna have my indicators. We go to our weekly. Go to your monthly just to look at it. I'll go to my weekly.
See, he's over there talking, right? Don't play the piano.
So this is last week.
Mhm.
Hey, so real quick, with this is probably gonna create a what was that candle in Naked Forex?
Talking about a kangaroo? No.
Nah, not the kangaroo. The one that like it don't. Jay, you know what I'm talking about? It's like a news candle.
Like a what? No.
No, that's a pattern.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. It's on the
The
tip of my tongue.
breaker.
Oh my
What the
gosh.
fuck? What was it called?
Say it again. What you say?
The breaker candle. The breaker candle. Let me
To the
see.
macaco.
All right. Let me see.
Oops.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
What is the candle? Come on, candle. Is that the big belt?
Yes, there you go. The big belt. The big
Oh.
belt. Now
I don't know.
the reason why I say that is because this should be opening up here.
Mm-hmm.
It should be opening.
And that would be a bearish big belt to be
Uh,
exact.
it should be opening up there, Sean. Why should it open up there?
I don't know. That's what I was about to ask. Why?
Okay, because this is my chart is different from past or other people's. You know,
Mhm.
I don't know. I just see the chart better when I got GD colors. I don't know why,
Mhm.
but
Nope.
I don't know why. I just see the chart better when I got them like that. So my blues are buys and my blacks are sells. So this this blue candle opened down here and it closed up there. So this candle should have opened up here too.
Oh.
It should have opened up here next to it, and that's why it's a big belt, a bearish big belt. Or it's gonna fuck around and be a bearish big belt because it's opening out of place. But
Here's a question.
go ahead.
Would you have to wait on resistance? I remember from a previous class, he said that he would give it a couple candlesticks or whatever to see though.
I mean it's
Does that
already
apply?
so it's
Huh?
like once I mark it up, then I can see what I need.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So where's my favorites? My favorites over here. My favorites. So mark the top of the wick. Go down here, mark the bottom. That's on your week. So we got last week marked off, right? Then we're gonna go to our daily. I kind of don't have to move it up top. Oh, here you go, Pat. Yeah, man, I ain't doing this shit no more. Pat wanna come
Cool.
in.
He said he wanna go
I
first.
thought you said you was gonna leave us be.
I was, man, but I came through to just wish y'all good luck, man, and
What's up, cuz?
You know
Oh
good and well
man,
he couldn't stay away.
I tried my hardest, man.
What's up,
Tried my
Chris?
hardest, man. I'm like, do I want to do it? Let me join real quick. They've
So
been in there for about an hour.
Yeah. Yeah, this the second one here. Hmm.
Okay, that's what's up.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm just going
How
over
y'all
how
doing so far, man?
we're doing good. Just going over how to mark the charts real quick.
Hmm.
Facts, facts, facts.
And he was also showing me different features. Remember, I was telling you I was having trouble navigating through TradingView. So
Uh
he
huh.
was showing me some things, but it's not really gonna click until I get on there tomorrow and mess around with it a few times. But certain things I do remember. So we
Yep,
went over quite a bit. Hmm.
that's what's up, man. Y'all keep doing what y'all doing. I just stopped in just to scare y'all and laugh and joke. I know it. You know me, man. You gotta make trading fun because it can become boring after you know what you're doing.
Yeah, facts.
But all right, y'all.
All right, brother.
Okay, take care, cuz.
Later.
Appreciate
All
you.
right.
So what you call it? The one up top, this line up top, I'm gonna leave it alone because it's by the nearest order block for sellers. So I don't really have to change that. The one below, I
Mhm.
might move it up down here so it could be the nearest order block for the buyers. And it's low key. This is this is US 30. Yeah, this is low key close to where we smashed the last lower high. Then go down to the 4 hour. Hold on, I could add another one on the daily down here too, just for safekeeping.
Ooh, thank you, Jesus.
You talking about me?
Yes. I was like, why would you do that? Okay.
Facts.
Mhm.
Facts. No, I feel it. Shit, and just again, I do this one up here. So then I'll go down to the 4 hour, see if I gotta adjust it even more.
Mm-mm.
Yeah,
Leave that be.
yeah, yeah. I'm pretty much solid. 1 hour.
Now those lines are for what?
Those are like your support resistance zones,
Support every. Okay. Hmm.
and they're like so we got them marked off at like So okay, you see this? Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Hold on. You see this? That area
Hmm.
that I marked now. Quick note with the brush, you're gonna have to click off of it. You're gonna have to go back to your cursors because it's gonna keep giving you the brush. Anyway, so you see this area that I got with the brush marked off.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
That's that was resistance for a long time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Resistance is your roof, support is your floor. We
Mm-hmm.
burst through there, right? Now we haven't tested it for real,
Hmm.
but when it comes back, we're going to assume that it's going to act as support now.
Okay.
Just like over here, if I mark this over here, this was support, right?
Okay.
And now it's resistance.
Yep,
So
yep. Now is
I just I just
How
want to
how
make that
how can
clear.
I tell that it's resistance because it went up
And
to
that's
so
what
that
I was
top
just
line and
about to
went
say.
through it?
so look,
You got it, James.
but so after we burst down over here, after we burst down, when we came close to it,
Hmm.
boom, we rejected. Came back over here, boom, we rejected.
Oh, so that's the resistance. Okay.
It's resistance
I was
now.
looking at the left side that was on the top line, so I was all the way off. Okay.
Well, yeah, I mean, the left side was, at first, it was support until we broke through
Hmm.
it. So
Okay.
think of it like a, Think of it like a multi-story building, right? When you're on the bottom floor, when you're on the bottom floor, the ceiling is your roof, right? When you go upstairs, that's not your roof no more. That's your floor.
Right. Okay.
Okay. So that's how you mark. That's how we mark our charts. No, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Uh, no, that's how many years they played college and professional ball.
No, the years are Disney staff teaching.
Oh, my bad, my bad. Let me do my trading stuff. You got that over there, my bad. Anyway. So that's how we mark it up. Then I put my indicators back on.
Did you get this down or something? You took this down? Well, that's weird. It just happened to be that. This what you gonna wear?
So, yeah, any questions? I'm gonna do the same thing since we all here. I'm gonna do the same thing on my Nas real quick.
You gonna have me dreaming about this.
Hey, that's when you know you in mode.
That's when you. Exactly. You took the words right out of my mouth. That's when you know you locked in for sure.
Oh God, you in mode for real, locked in. Move my indicators. So now I'm doing the same. I'm gonna do the same thing on Nas. Hiding my drawings, removing my drawings. Go to my weekly. And Nas, so that's why I like trading Nas and US 30 because they'll kind of move similar. Not saying you could take the same trade at the same time, but like damn near if you miss a moment on Nas, to US 30 might be lagging or vice versa.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But I wouldn't. Every now and then you could take, when the market conditions are clear, you could take the same position almost at the same time. But other than that, you want to wait till you get your confirmations. So we did I'm doing the last week again, same thing, marking the top and the bottom. All right. Then go down to my phone. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna bring this up. I'm gonna bring this up right here. And the reason why I'm doing that is because this actually created a head and shoulder.
Okay.
See it? I got it looking kind of funky, but you see it?
Yeah.
An inverted head and shoulder. So I got it at the neckline of the head and shoulder. Plus, that order block was kind of tested already. Got this down here. And then
Quick question: how do we know that? I know it might sound crazy, but that was tested.
So this is So I should have been asking you. Do you even know what an order block is?
Cause he mentioned it, but I'm still trying to grasp all these terms and stuff.
It's basically like the market went in one direction before it went in this real direction. And Jake probably could explain it a little bit better. But so you see we got this buying candle right here, and then we got this engulfing, right? And then we go down. That's what makes that an order block.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
You feel me? Then over here we got this selling candle And then what's the blue candle next to it?
What, the buying?
Yeah,
Or you mean?
what's the
What type of candle is
what
it?
kind of candle is that?
Oh, that one long one. Hold on. I was going over stuff earlier, but hold on. I seen that one too. It's just one. Is that a Maruzabu? Well, I don't know how to pronounce
What?
that.
No, I low key just said that the last candle.
Oh,
It would be in your Japanese candlestick patterns. That's a bullish engulfing.
oh.
Hmm.
You know what? This I guess this is supposed to be a engulfing, but it gave me another name for it. Let me see.
And if I did all three candles, it's kind of funky because of
Mm-hmm.
that gap. What would that be? This, this, and this.
Hold on. I was still trying to find that bullish engulfing because it's in my stuff somewhere. See, because this
Morningstar.
calls it at Marubozu, whatever that is. But I'm sorry, you said that one right there.
These three,
Uh, oh, the three or two.
three.
That's engulfing, right?
Well, that two is
That circle.
engulfing. The circle is
Oh no,
engulfing.
I'm looking at the one on the left. So you talking about on the bottom?
Yeah,
Oh, is that a three? Uh,
these three together
is that
make
a
what?
morning star?
There you go.
No, cause
There you go.
oh,
There
I
you
was
go.
right. Okay.
Think about it, morning star because it's, the sun coming up.
Mm-hmm.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Uh,
So a Marubozu candle
Mm-hmm.
is a bullish candlestick with a large body without wicks. It indicates bullish movement. If the candlestick is bearish, then it will be called a Moro Bozu.
so it don't have
Oh,
wicks.
okay.
So it's a solid candlestick that has no wicks.
Okay.
So it wouldn't be that. It would
Okay,
be an
thank you.
engulfing because an engulfing candle is the definition of an engulfing candle is the candle that basically eats up the candle previous to it.
Mhm.
Oh,
Does that make
okay.
sense?
Mm-hmm. That was a good explanation too.
Mhm.
Now this one I think over here it has it. Man, I've been working with all these different. Y'all don't know how much stuff I got on here trying to follow this stuff.
So here go a definition for a bullish engulfing. A bullish
Okay.
engulfing consists of two candlesticks.
Mm-hmm.
At first, a bearish candlestick completely engulfed by the second bullish candlestick. This pattern generally indicates a change in trend. So that's exactly what happened. That his bearish candles are black and his bullish candles are blue.
Mm-hmm.
So that bluish candle completely engulfed the candle next to it, which was bearish.
Okay.
And then he showed you with all three of them, it became a morning star.
Mm-hmm.
Just bigger moves,
Right.
but still the same candlestick pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Thank you. Okay.
No problem.
And the morning star is made up of three candlesticks, which is interpreted as a bullish signal. It forms as a result of a bearish trend and indicates the start of a rise,
Mm-hmm.
which is what we see.
You reading that off your cards?
No, this is my app.
Gotcha.
What app is that?
Um,
The JPC one?
well, I don't have the JPC anymore on my
Okay.
phone, so this
Mm-hmm.
one is called Daily Candle.
Okay, I got you. So I was just looking it up. Well, you can't see on the JPC. It was giving me after you had said it, it was giving me some stuff too.
Yeah, so I love JPC. I love that because that was my app. Even with the simulator, everything, the definition,
Yeah, I started working
quizzes.
with it today. Only thing doesn't work is this one that says Trader Lab. It doesn't come up, whatever that is. But the other three, the candlestick pattern, the simulator, and also pattern identifier. So
Yeah,
that's what I was
them,
looking at
them the
earlier.
ones that matter. The
Okay.
other ones don't matter. Them the ones that matter.
Yeah. So So of course I'm gonna go over it more tomorrow.
So right now, my bad.
No,
Right,
go ahead.
right now I'm getting confused on like where I want to place this one, right? So definitely gonna go down. I'm on my daily. I'm gonna go down to my 4 hour, and the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna place it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then
Scroll left. Left. Okay. I agree.
that. Then my hour. I'm pretty much good. So it's good that I'm like I don't go lower than the hour or the 4 hour to adjust my lines because
Mm-hmm.
that's a higher time frame uh, zone. So if I'm getting rejection on my 15 minute, which is my entry time frame, my 5 minute, that just means that move should be a little bit stronger versus me doing it all the way to the 15 minute and now the 15 minute crossing it every now and then and that it's just too much confusion.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we're pretty much solid. Yeah, we're pretty much solid. And you had asked me I remember the other question. How did I know that the order block got tapped into, right?
Mm-hmm.
So okay, we know what the order block is now. Is when okay, we got 10 minutes left. Cool. Um, Basically, the market makes a move in one direction and then it kind of corrects it and then it flies up from there, right?
Okay. See, I have to get all those rules and stuff down. I'm
YouTube,
still trying to
YouTube,
memorize the
YouTube,
patterns and stuff.
YouTube.
Mm.
You feel me? YouTube.
You know
Uh,
what? I seen some on YouTube that I wanted to go through, but between the way I've been feeling and trying to get the reading and all that type of stuff, and then having to go to therapy and all that stuff, I really didn't have time to really sit and do it. I
when
thought I
you
would have time today, but
when you go to therapy, they do you get on the treadmill?
I can't do that. Yeah, no, I because of the surgery I had. So, but basically, no, they had me standing up doing stuff and start off on the bike and all that stuff, trying to
Okay, so you on the
build it
bike,
back
right?
up.
Do they
Yeah, but
are they
that's
on
only
your
10 minutes.
are they okay?
Hmm.
So I'm telling you, look up order blocks. The people that helped me were smart money concept. Let me see.
Smart money
Let me
concept.
see.
Okay.
Let me see if that's
Mhm.
still there. You know what I'm talking about, Jay?
Mhm.
And you said order box. Okay.
Yeah.
You
Um.
can just go to, like, when you go to Smart Money Concepts, just their basic forex videos. Just like
Okay.
scroll through. You will notice the ones, and they typically put in parentheses beginner, advanced,
Hmm.
in some of their video descriptions and stuff like that. They kind of let you know. But yeah,
Hmm.
But
I
it's
can't see
you
this
could do it
without.
on the treadmill. You could listen to it while you're on the treadmill. If they leave you alone for your sets, you could do it while you listening to your sets instead of listening to music or whatever. You could listen to that. Um, so
While you
the way I
driving.
know, we were say,
I said while you driving.
yeah, facts. The way I know this got tapped into is because one we got a breaker candle next to it. Meaning, so you see this black candle?
Hmm.
We should have opened up right next to it. Should have opened up right next to it. Did not open up right next to it. Opened up here somewhere. But even if that didn't happen, right? If it opened up the way it was supposed to, quote unquote,
Hmm.
this long ass wick right in here, meaning it got tapped into. over here.
Okay.
That wick came into that.
Is that a kangaroo tail? No,
No, the body not long
oh,
enough. So that'll
okay.
be a dragonfly almost doji.
Mm, almost.
Looked like it was bigger than the dragonfly. So like I said, I'm still
Well,
learning as we
like
go. But okay.
don't be you. That's the other thing. Do not be literal on the pictures that you see.
Oh, okay.
Long
Okay.
it's a doji as long as the open and close are close to each other.
Hmm. Okay.
Cause that's gonna match like yes, this doji over here is
That's the doge. There
yeah,
you go.
that's the doji. That's a doji.
And then
That's a
you
doji.
see that you see where you got the big purple circle at the top?
Yep.
If you come down, you got a hammer, but then right for that gap, you got a spinning top. You see it?
And
Go left. Go left. Left.
yep.
And you
Okay.
got a hammer.
Uh huh.
And then the candle right before that is a spinning top. Them wicks is crazy. You see what I'm saying?
Mhm.
Hmm.
The it's not like the picture,
Mhm.
right? But that's what it is.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, I was thinking that was probably an inverted hammer
Well, no, it would look
because
If it
the
was a
candle, the
that
body
got
of the
two wicks
candle
on
would be
it.
at the bottom.
yeah,
Okay, right.
and it's
Okay.
not yeah right. It wouldn't be no wick at the top. I mean not the top, but the bottom.
Right. Hmm.
Or little to no wick, as this hammer is right here.
Right.
Yeah,
Um.
yeah. So they're not just like Pat and James was telling us that the head and shoulders and the double tops and double bottoms might not look pretty like the pictures that we studied.
Mhm.
Hmm.
Um, in the market because the market moves right and it's choppy and things happen in the market. Same
Mhm.
with those candlestick patterns. I mean, same with those candlestick patterns, just like the chart patterns. So
Hmm.
those candlesticks may not look pretty
Okay.
or exactly like the picture, but that
Facts.
doesn't
Hmm.
negate that doesn't say that's not what they are.
Facts.
It's a nice little evening star right there too.
Right here. No, you said evening. Up here?
Yep.
No. Yeah.
No. Go to go to the right. To the right. The next. Yeah. One more.
Yep.
Right there.
Yep.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Actually, perfect. Actually.
That actually do look like the picture.
That do look like the picture,
Yeah.
but that's what makes it purty.
And then they got the black crows as well,
Mhm.
or soldiers. But yeah, that's pretty much without overloading you more than I have.
Mhm.
That's pretty much how you navigate through this. You just want to play
It's
around.
gonna click when we get to how to day trade for a living. Everything is gonna click.
Okay.
No pressure. You're not gonna get everything right now. Just take notes as you go along. If it sound important, write it down.
Hmm.
hmm
But
I
some of
ain't
the
even
stuff
gonna
that
get into fair value gaps yet. I ain't gonna do all that.
Yeah, please don't. Man, listen.
But that was a game
I
changer
got
for
all
me.
this stuff that I'm trying to grasp.
And you can't rush the process. I could tell you all of this shit. I could tell you everything, and until you come to a spot in your trading where you need it,
Mm-hmm.
it ain't gonna help you.
Mm.
But you need to know how to
that's
mark
just
your
like
chart. You
I'm
said
so tempted to tell you how to mark up to know this move in between where you didn't trap that market at so bad.
what you talking about?
The zone that the market is currently in, sitting in.
Mm-hmm.
So nice little trick, and you will see the confirmation. Is if you fib, that zone that is in is
Oh,
marked to 50.
I don't know. So you talking about from
You
top to
have to
bottom?
stay within the play. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
No, do the whole. Do from that green line to the green line. See if
Okay.
the green line to green line. You see
Okay.
your 50.
Uh huh.
That blue line right there.
Uh huh.
Draw. Put a red horizontal right there.
Okay.
Horizontal,
Um.
not array.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Look left. You see how the market played off of it.
Mm, it's going either way.
Breakout. Retest. Close below. Came up. Retest a little bit. Sold down.
Mm,
Closed above. Retested. Wasn't strong. Bought back up. Entries and exits.
she done added something. Thought I was done adding shit, but here I go. I'm gonna leave that up there just for. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put it up on US 32 then.
It gives you just a better
Damn. Keep more stuff up there when you done eating. Mm-hmm. Cause I'm about to get off. Well, yeah, I didn't. I'm about to get off, but I ain't want it to cut you
Yeah,
off
yeah,
just
yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
No, I just wanted to. It's just a nice way to catch the play in between, or just help see the market. Just give you extra confirmation. Waiting for the support and resistance. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Waiting for the retest. That's just like extra confirmation. This is like when I have a wide zone, I'll 50 my zone just so I
Mm.
can get that extra confirmation that it's headed towards my support or headed
Okay, so
towards my resistance.
this doesn't matter about it being a gap. This is just what you do when your zone is wide.
Yep.
Got you.
Cause money is you waiting for what?
Right though. No,
And
I
money is
feel you
moving
though.
in between.
I feel you though. I feel that. I feel that. So yeah, we could look to our left, and it broke.
Close below.
Uh huh. It came back. Even this little. Okay, boom.
But now you understand, even though it didn't reach, you know what I'm saying? You
Mm.
wasn't expecting for it to retest that red line anyway because the bottom is your zone. So
Right,
this which, but it's
right,
just a clear indication. It's just an
right.
extra that is going to sell to your support.
Damn, I wish I was recording that. Damn. Oh, you know what?
That's it.
I'm recording it on my Twitch. All right, and then boom, and then when it finally it broke through it, but rejected this, came back down, retested, boom.
So even right, so even that blue candle you just traced up, right?
Mhm.
That closed above. You knew you wouldn't go for a big buy because that's your ceiling. So you will get in and get out right real quick on that other candle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, we stand above. Boom, come back.
That's it.
Okay,
It just
okay.
it just helps you see the play in between the play.
Oh shit.
You
Oh
got something
I
shit.
there?
call I call it my money line.
Yeah, definitely. I
So for
definitely
me,
got some there.
that line is green and it's a dash.
Got you. Matter of fact, I'll probably make it a dash.
You just
Just
make it a red dash cause your colors is different from mine.
yeah,
But that's your money. I call it my money line.
tenfold. Got you. All right, I appreciate you.
So
Yeah.
did you add something to the repertoire?
I'm a play with it. I ain't about to, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't just go gung ho.
No, you can't.
You know what I'm saying?
Just you see
But now I
it's
see
on
it
this
though. You
chart.
feel me?
Yeah,
Now I know it's something else I can use for sure.
cause it at even current market. Zoom in onto the right on current market.
It's right underneath the what just became shit. It made the market made it become support. So now it's resistance.
Mhm.
Bet that up. Okay.
But it closed
Alright.
above and it bought off. So it's just
Mhm.
that gap is so big, and I was like, oh, and like it's to the point where now I see exactly the 50 before I even fib it.
That's what's up.
So there you go. So like it helps you with it, and it definitely helps you when you got gaps like that, cause now you see that gap better.
Mhm.
When you say the 50, are you speaking in terms of 50 pips you could
No, no, no,
possibly
no.
make?
She talking about
Oh,
the thing I didn't want to get into you with yet. The Fibonacci.
oh,
So
oh,
this
okay.
point five right here, that's the 50.
Okay,
Yeah.
got
It's
But
like the halfway point between the ceiling and the floor.
it. Mm-hmm.
I just helped him see what I saw,
Mm-hmm.
cause like you said, we all see it different. Just like you heard Pat say, we all see it different. So
Mm-hmm.
that it just like me looking at US 30, knowing that I don't like US 30 because it moved too quick for me.
Mm-hmm.
This is a training wheel that I would put on if I was to trade US 30 for me to help see the market clearer and be more confident in trading this currency.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
So knowing that he trades this currency, I just wanted to share how I will see it a little clearer.
Mm-hmm.
God, appreciate that. All right, y'all. I'm about to
That
eat
was all.
this good food my lady cooked.
Y'all do
And
y'all thing. Y'all have a good night.
yes, sir.
Y'all too, and thanks once again. I appreciate y'all.
No
Y'all
problem.
take care.
And good luck to in the
All
markets
right.
Anytime, no
tomorrow,
problem.
Jay. Good luck this week
Huh?
in the market. I said good luck this week in the markets.
No trading this week.
No
I'm
trading
done.
this.
I'm
Ah.
done.
Okay,
I'm done.
you done for the month?
No, I'm done for. I'm
Oh,
done.
so you counting your profits from this weekend as your week.
Yeah, cause
That's smart.
technically I'm not supposed to trade till July.
Okay,
But
tenfold.
I was getting my chart time in and I saw it.
Tenfold.
So I pulled a pocket option and got busy.
Bet that up.
So,
All right.
but yeah.
All right, y'all. Be
All
All
right.
right.
easy.
Be easy, y'all.
Thanks
Have a
again.
blessed.
No
All
problem.
right.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, damn it. Okay, nobody on my Twitch. I pulled my mask up before.